Hello guys, my name is John Samuel Smith, and today we're going to go over Stock Market 101, and we're going to talk about the basic terms of the stock market. So today we're going to go over cup and handle. So what cup and handle is a basic term for technicals within the stock market. So it's how you read the support and resistance of a specific trade within a period of time within the stock market. So how the cup forms, it forms after resistance here hits here at the top. So you got R1 and then you got S1. So you got support and resistance. So we're gonna show that here, and the kind of like a real version of what is the stock market and how it would look. So in the real stock market, when you're looking at it, you're gonna have a resistance one where the market pulls back and the price starts to drop because people are not willing to pay more for whatever particular product or particular price. If you're inside of the Forex market, it might be a currency. They're not willing to pay over whatever this resistance is, whatever the price range is. So that market, the market pulls it back down, and then it keeps going down until it hits a support level, which is a floor. So you're gonna look at cup and handles like a ceiling and a floor, and a ceiling and a floor when you're looking at stock market price. So you got R1, S1, which is a ceiling and a floor, and then you got R2, S2. So R2 and S2 are very, very important with when you're making trades, because this is where all the magic happens within the stock market. Understanding where R2 is and where S2 is will help you understand how the market is moving, if it's going to be bullish or bearish, based off of the levels R1 and R2 are at. Okay, so if you have R1 higher than R2, then more than likely the market is going to be going down based off of what chart you're going to be looking at. So you're going to have a bearish candlestick coming usually after this. So you're going to have a downward trend in the market, and that's what's going to end up happening after this cup and handle pattern. All right, so that's a basic term for you guys for 101, and follow me on Instagram at _real_John Sam for some more videos on the basics and terms in the stock market.